Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a pulling rate level for Logitech Pro Wireless mouse. And to do this you will need to get the G Hub on your PC. You can download it from Logitech official website. It's an app that allows you to configure your mouse. Now when you open it, there's a settings button right here. Don't click on it, it's an entirely different page. What you need to do is to click on your mouse, then right here in sensitivity DPI you can find the report rate, which works as a pulling rate, and you can change it to whatever you like, but to get best performance choose 1000. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.